Kei te tū tonu te poehu I Wainganui I ngā kaimahi o te wahapū o Tāmaki Makaurau me o rātou rangatira. Te āhua nei me ua ka kimi ngā taha e rua I tētahi whenua tauri kura e tai ai e rātou te mahitahi anō.
He hui he tohe, he hui he tohe. I te rānei ka hore I rereke ake.
Yeah, they don't want anybody back at work. They're in there talking about they have their little workforce in there that can do everything and there's just nothing available for us.
Koe ni nā kōrero whai muri ake I te hui I Wainganui I ngā rōpū nei, I mua tonu atu I te tūhoetanga o te rā.
We're not in lockout and we're not in strike and we have a legal position of where we can go to work and we want to go back in there and do our job.
Kua waru marama tēnei take e korohuhu ana, nā te kore whakahauhia o tā rātou whakaetanga mahi a rōpū. I nā I roto I nā wiki tata nei, ka tīmata nā mahi porotu a nā rōpū mahi taha moana.
One of the arguments in the collective employment round was that we wanted some form of job security. We wanted to know when we're going to work and when we're not going. We just wanted that in the collective. He said, don't worry about that, there's never a problem. And he said it on the media, he said it in the papers. We will have you a month in advance knowing when you're working and you're not working. And yet today he's saying, I don't know what's happening tomorrow.
Come on, you sailors.
Engari te rano nā whakaaro o nā wahapū o Tāmaki Makaurau mo tēnei take. He whakaaro moe anō te hiahia ana kaimahi ki te hoki tika mai ki te mahi.
We're not in strike and we have a legal position of where we can go to work and we want to go back in there and do our job.
So it might take us some time, but it's our view, if our case is right, that they're unlawfully locking you out and will be due your wages this week, whether they bring you back in there or not.
Kei te nākau nui te uniona ki te kaua I tēnei take, kia rānonga hia e te kōti whakawāmahi a pōpō. Tini Molyneux, Te Karere.